The BioAfrica Convention kicks off today at the International Convention Centre in Durban. Delegates from various sectors will be attending to discuss solutions and developments within their respective sectors. Ahmed Kajee is our man on the story. He joins us now. And Ahmed, what will be some of those focus areas over the coming days?
Yes, Tembekile, a big part of what we are expecting over the next few days is focusing specifically on the role of technology in improving the biology and the life sciences sectors within South Africa as well. A big focus will be on healthcare as well and the access towards towards access of healthcare to South Africans as well. We are currently in the main hall at the moment where it has just been lunchtime, and more often than not what we are seeing is these cubicles where many of the exhibitors are actually showcasing their products, showcasing what they have to offer and what they would like to bring into the industry. What this actually allows them to do is for many exhibitors to perhaps network and discuss possible and potential collaboration to continue to innovate within the sector as well. And a big part of what we are seeing is perhaps science and technologies aspects and its relationship with regards to topics such as the COVID-19 pandemic, women within the science and innovation industry as well, what their role is and how they will continue to be developed, and just various other international role players and how they can actually work towards increasing and improving healthcare within South Africa as well. And Tembekile, what we also have seen in previous years, especially in the recent years, specifically is looking at herbal medication and natural medication. These are some of the important topics which will be discussed over the next 2.5 days as well. But just to maybe perhaps bring into the conversation the Sartorius Group, they're actually one of the suppliers of medical facilities and perhaps medical equipment to various healthcare service providers. I'm now just going to bring in Larissa Hitchcock into the conversation. Larissa, thanks for your time today. Just perhaps taking us through what Sartorius Group is all about and where you actually will be finding your clients.
Cool. Hi, everyone. So Sartorius South Africa is a leading international pharmaceutical and laboratory equipment provider. We basically have two divisions in our company. The one is the bioprocess side, which means we can help any pharmaceutical manufacturer from downstream to upstream to the filling part. So every part in your pharmaceutical manufacturing process, I almost want to say. And then we've got the lab equipment side as well, where we can offer things like your balances, your pipettes, your bottle top dispensers, your water systems, filtration, all of that. We are a German-based company. We are the manufacturer itself, and then we are a trusted partner in the biopharmaceutical and in the pharmaceutical industry.
How important then is it for South Africa to have businesses such as Sartorius from Germany within the health space?
I would say very important. The thing is, we need to be here with all the small startups and even the big pharma customers. So, like I said, we've got an international company, so we've got expert advice from all over the globe. So, especially with small startups, it's always good to have expert advice from somewhere else if they need something or if they get stuck in their process or they struggling to filter a product or anything weird. Then we've got expert advice in South Africa, but then also globally that we can contact anyone. I think what we've learned with COVID as well is you can contact anyone anywhere in the world and we can get a solution to get you the best process for your startup or for your big pharma companies. So Sartorius' slogan is simplifying progress. And basically what we want to do is we want to simplify all your processes so it's easier for you to get to your final products at the end.
Larissa, thanks very much for your time today. That's Sartorius' group. Larissa Hitchcock just taking us through the importance of having perhaps German companies and international companies in South Africa providing those services, those expertise and that equipment to these pharmaceutical companies as well. The Innovation Hub is just to the left-hand side of your screen, Tembekile. And what we are seeing is many of these herbs, many of these medicines coming through to actually just showcase exactly what is available to the South African market. and to the international market. There are various other panel discussions taking place through various of the meeting rooms here at the convention center. There is the main hall where various plenary sessions are taking place. We'll be seeing women in leadership within the science and innovation sectors also taking place later today. And as I mentioned earlier, herbal medication and perhaps national medication has been an important part and discourse within South Africa, especially with it trying to be recognized as an industrialized form of medication. This is an important topic which will be discussed later on this afternoon, heading into tomorrow as well. So in terms of the attendees coming here today, it will be exceptionally important to see exactly the role that science and innovation has in improving and perhaps contributing more towards the healthcare sector in South Africa.
Ahmed, Kajee live for us in Durban. Thank you.